Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the throttle body on this 2007 Chrysler Pacifica with the 4.0. If this video is helpful, smash that thumbs up button for me. Leave a comment below for the algorithm. It's very helpful. The reason I'm changing it, as you can see, this lightning bolt is flashing. And when I try to drive it, it only goes up to about 20 miles an hour, so it's stuck in limp mode. Okay, first thing we're going to do, pop our hood. We're going to take this cover off. It's got 4 little tabs that pop up like that. Take that out of the way. And this is the part we're going to change. Somebody changed it recently, but I think this might be a defective part, so we're going to put a new one in. Alright, so first thing we're going to do is unplug this clip and this clip. So push these red things back, push it in, pull the clip off. Alright, now we're going to remove this intake tube by loosening this clamp and that clamp right there. Okay, now we've got 4 bolts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Take those out. Okay, we got our old one out. Got my new one here that I got on Amazon that we're going to stick in. I'm going to have a link in the description below where you can get this. Make sure to check your gasket here and make sure it's still good and pliable. This seems like it's a pretty new part, and I think it just failed early or something, or maybe it was a defective part from the start. This is a new gasket, so I'm not replacing mine. So at this point, stick it back in, put it back together the way you took it apart. Alright, now that it's reinstalled, we're going to turn the key to the run or on position, but don't start the engine. And then wait until these lights start flashing, and then the check engine light stops flashing. So there we go, they're flashing. We're going to wait until the check engine light stops flashing. Alright, and now we're going to push the gas pedal all the way to the floor and then let it back up slowly. This is relearning the ECU with the throttle. Alright, and then we're just going to shut off the key. Start our vehicle back up.